How to solve problems with the blade sharpener. How to connect the wires. Locate the 3 wires inside the machine. Place the electrical box horizontally and ensure it is effectively grounded. Connect the wires in order to the L1, L2, L3 terminal block in the electrical box and the ground wire to the terminal PE. How to adjust the angle. The blade holder is factory set to a horizontal angle of 0 degrees. Locate the rotation wheel on the left side of the blade's sharpener. Rotate the blade holder clockwise to the desired blade angle and lock it in place. How to troubleshoot. When a fault is detected, please check the fault screen on the touch panel for prompts. Identify the cause of the fault and press the reset button to clear the fault after it has been resolved. Example, if the fault screen displays grinding head holder out of range, switch to manual mode and move the grinding head holder left or right to clear it. Then reset the fault and restart the equipment to resume normal operation. Thank you for watching.